Hello and welcome to another What's Inside. Today we are looking at some vintage trading cards, or as they're called, picture cards and stickers from the Gong Show. These are from 1977, put out by Fleer. And there are 7 cards, 1 sticker, and a stick of gum inside each pack. I've got 2 packs here to look at, and I thought these would be an interesting one to check out. So we've got our usual advertisement on the back. This one actually tells you how many cards are in the set, which is 76 cards and stickers. And on the back of the cards we are going to see photo puzzles. And these are supposed to be the winners from the show, so this is an odd one because a game show trading cards doesn't really seem to match what a lot of people were doing. But it is cashing in on the trading card craze of the 70s and early 80s, so I get that. So let's open these up and see what we've got. As usual, don't chew the gum. It's not good anymore. Oh boy. Okay. Well, this is the sticker that the gum is actually still stuck to the back of, and the sticker is actually smaller than the cards. So this is not numbered either. That's very odd. So we'll get kind of a good look at that if we can. It's just somebody with a pie in their face. And then our first card here is number 61. And you can see the size difference in the cards and the sticker. This is a standard trading card size, and the sticker is significantly smaller. So on the back of that is a puzzle piece. You can see this is where the wax seal was. Get some residue there. Next card is number 29. Then we've got card number 59. Followed by card number 30. That's Jamie Farr. Card number 57. Then card number 31. Card number 56. And finally, card number 2. Alright, let's take a look at our other pack. Alright, these stickers did not hold up well. They do say Fleer in the top corner. Sorry about the glare. But these things are really small. And when I pulled the gum off, it did come loose from here. And there is almost no sticky left on the back of the sticker. So yeah, be aware of that. These stickers are trash. Unfortunately, they probably were good at the time, but age has not been kind to them. They are 40 years old now, so. Alright, first up is card number 9. Then card number 12. Card number 6. Card number 18. And card number 5. I don't know if you can see it, but you can see the fraying on the side here where this was poorly cut. And it's on it both sides. That's a big detriment if you want your cards in mint condition. Obviously, that's from the actual cutting of the card and not time. Next up, we have card number 21. And finally, card number 1. Alright, that is what you might get inside the Gong Show trading card packs. They are randomly inserted. There are 76 cards and stickers. They do create giant photo puzzles like usual. These packs are fairly expensive. Last time I checked, they do go for between $5 and $10 a piece. But prices always fluctuate on this stuff, and be aware of that. The cards, they're okay. They're not the best we've seen. A lot of them have this weird perforation cut, and that's really disappointing. But these were fairly early on in the trading card craze. But there were half a dozen of them with really bad perforation cut marks on it, and that's not good between 2 packs having several cards like that. The stickers did not age well, and neither did the gum as usual. But the fact that the gum stuck to that so well, and the stickers were so small, that's really disappointing. So these are kind of a mixed bag. Plus the jokes aren't funny. They probably weren't very funny in the 70s. They're definitely not funny now. They're not very edgy. They're very, very saccharine and aimed at a younger audience, I think. But if you're a big Gong Show fan or a big 70s fan, you'll probably want to get some of these to add to your collection. So that's going to do it for this one. We've seen what's inside and what you might get. You've heard my take on it. That's going to do it for this episode. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future unboxings and reviews. If you'd like to help the channel out in other ways, links to my Patreon, Streamlabs, and of course the merchandise on the Teespring store are all in the description. If you'd like to do something different other than financial support, you can share the video around on your social media. That helps quite a bit. And don't forget to leave a comment as to what you thought of the video in the description on the comment section. And as always, we hope to see you on the next one.